Hey y'all, I'm back at y'all again. I'm dropping my daughter off from school, dropping her off here with my other two daughters, my two oldest. So I'm gonna get rid of them. I tell you, boy, they don't even appreciate me. I come over here and they door because they getting ready to go somewhere. You'd think they want to hang out with their pops for a little bit, but nope. They like, get gone, old man. But yeah, I'm just sitting here getting them all out the door. I'm sorry, getting my other daughter moved in here with them for the summer and let them all sit here and get on each other's nerves. By day one, they're all happy to see each other. By day 30, they're ready to kill each other. Anyways, when they all get up here, I'll introduce you to my three oldest. You know, I got all girls, unfortunately. I wasn't meant to have no boy, or if I did, I was meant to have one later in life. But all I got now is daughters. They're all big and grown. So she got this little cat over here. Last time I played with this stupid cat, he attacked me. So I don't really trust picking him up no more. I was trying to scratch his ear and do him a favor. But I need y'all to visit my website as well. Y'all make sure y'all visit my website. Show brother some love. Support the company. Register your domain. Not only are you supporting the company, you're also making your dreams come into reality. You got that .com or that idea that you want to get out there? Y'all go ahead and register. Say hey to Heaven. That's one of my oldest right there. Say hey, Heaven. Hey. And my other one back there, they're getting ready to go hang out at the lake today. I wanna go camping this weekend myself. What's so cool now with these phones and you can have your hotspot with you, I can now work when I'm on the campsite, which is great because I can still take calls, still update the site and keep everything going even out on the campsite. That's one of the great things about working in this field. I do most of everything remotely unless it actually. Let me see that page. Let me see that.
I want it.
Here, let me show you it off. My daughter did the artist. See that? It's pretty good, right? That's one of the ones she did.
Hey, can I see the car keys, Daddy?
Here comes say hey to Lexi again. That's my artist.
Hi, buy my artwork.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna put her up now we got all these .coms registered. I need to get her to register a .com to sell her paintings off of. You got an idea for your domain that you're gonna sell your paintings? They're mad because I'm not helping unloading I'm not helping unpack.
Let's see what's free for domains.
I don't know. You got to see what you want your domain to be for your company first. And then you can register it. You can actually sell your paintings right off the website, and I can set it up to where you can accept credit card transactions as well as PayPal.
I know. I want you to see if it's available.
Okay. Well, I'll register it later on when I. Yeah, don't say it now because you don't want nobody to steal your .com. I'll register it for you live on the air next time I do a live show. I mean a live video, and that way I can show people how simple it is to register their .coms, get their domains, and get their website up. Hey, where Dom? Dom, come say hey to the people. Dom won't come out here because she's shaving her hairy legs. She look like Bigfoot. So she don't want to come out here till she get that Sasquatch back hair off of her. So, Dom, come say hey to the people. This is my oldest right here. Y'all say hey to Dom. Yeah, she about to go to the lake, so she got to shave her back hair. Before she goes. They didn't even invite me. You think they don't want to hang out with their dad or something? What's up with that? Yeah. I think I'm a cool dad. So they think I'm an old man. I think I'm a cool dad, but whatever. They just hating on me. Matter of fact, I think I'm cooler than they are. Matter of fact, I don't even think they cool enough to hang with me. Lamos. Yeah. Y'all say hey to the people again. Hey. Lex, are you going to go hang out to the lake with them?
Oh, no, I'm gonna sleep.
Yeah, look at Lex. She's not even going to go hang out. She's going to come home. First day at home, instead of hanging, she going to sleep. To those websites, y'all make sure y'all register y'all .coms. Go to our website, www.regionalitservices.com. And if you got that .com idea, you got an email address you need for your company email, go ahead and set that up through our website as well. We can design your personal as well as your business websites. We can take care of your IT, computer repair needs. You gonna get in the lake with your big floaty? Oh, what about your bathing suit? Did it fit right or what? Oh, you got it on up under the dress. Did it fit right?
Yeah.
Did y'all see that big old tattoo she got on her back? I don't know why the hell she went and did that. I did everything in my power to raise my daughter's non-thotty. And they doing everything in their power to go against everything I've been trying to get them not to do. But you know what can you do? They leaving, so they kicking me out. I gotta go. I'm not wanted here. Y'all heard it. They said I gotta go. They said I'm not wanted. Oh, y'all going already? Well, hurry up and get y'all stuff out of the stuff because I don't want to hang with y'all and I don't want to be here all day. I want to go. I want to go back enjoying the rest of my day. I still got work to do. We actually don't close till 6 o'clock. Our business hours is 9 to 6.
Come upstairs. Rest of it's downstairs.
All right, so y'all done?
I'm saying I'm not coming back upstairs. Yeah.
Well, I'm going walking down with y'all.
Leave the door open.
Yeah, look at them. Both of them covered in tattoos that I told them not to get. Show you how much they listen to me. They don't listen. They don't listen to me. Hey, what y'all do with the keys?
Let's see.
Oh, you got them in your hand, don't you? All right, well, don't leave the keys. And next time, y'all can invite me to go. We call those stink bugs. That is a stink bug. I think that's a stink bug. Here we go. Let me get one. Let me get y'all all in the video together so everybody can see all my girls, all my 3 oldest at the one time. Y'all, this is my 3 oldest babies. Y'all say hey. Hi. Ain't they pretty?
Mr. Lundy, I've left my printer in your car because I know you specialize in printer repair, and I know this is something you can do easily with cheap service.
Yeah, I don't work for free, so since you're my daughter, I'm thinking you're gonna have to do something. I know you broke. You're gonna have to do something to repay for my work. Maybe cook for me, clean for me, something. Reason to keep me from coming over here. See? You see how they do me? You see how they do me? They don't cook for me. They don't want me to come over. I try to come over. They lie to me. They didn't even want to give me the address or whatever.
Lexi, you can use up this garage. I'm just going to park where I used to park outside of the garage during the summer. Yeah. Okay.